Hey everybody, Jillian here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you a quick unboxing of the brand new Illustrated Faith devotional kit called The Joy Journey, with Allie Brown contributing to both the devotional and the artwork. It is absolutely beautiful. So the kit comes packaged like this in a craft mailer with a little bow of yarn or ribbon and a 4x6 card. So on this side, it's blank. It's some of Allie's beautiful, not blank, it's filled with Allie's beautiful artwork. And on this side, you get a thank you note from Shauna Noel. She shares a few colors that you'll find throughout this month's kit. There are way more. You'll soon see. It's beautiful. And then she shares here a little sneak of next month's kit. So that's so fun. She included that last month too. Now let's open this guy up. Whew, so pretty. Can I just tell you, I came back from a weekend away with my husband, and this was waiting for me in my mailbox, and that's just the best thing ever. Come back from a little trip, and you get this beautiful kit. All right, so the first thing that we have here is a little card with the kit's hashtag on it. So if you were to create some pages and share, use the tag if_joy_journey. Be sure to tag @illustratedfaith if you're posting any of the pages that you create using this beautiful kit. Super fun. I am not really familiar with Allie. Like, I've heard of her, but I don't follow her on YouTube or Instagram or anything, but you better believe I am now. Here's a little hexy sticker, just like last month, if you wanted to keep track in the front of your Bible, like which kits you've done in that Bible. That's what you could use that sticker for, or anything else you wanted. No rules, right? Let's take a look at some of the washi tape. So as I understand it, I have no scissors around, but also Allie designed this washi tape. Another fun fact, I'm supposed to be taking my son to physical therapy in like 3 minutes. We're supposed to leave, and I don't see how that's happening. Whoops. All right, so let's take a look at this gorgeous washi, if I can find the end of it. Here we go. Okay, look at this gorgeous floral washi tape. Oh my goodness. Just beautiful. So pretty. Okay, next up, I'm going to save these for last because I think I'm going to take the longest to go through these. We have a stencil. This is so fun. I shared a video from Gratitude Documented when they included a stencil with the Gratitude Documented kit, how I planned to use that, and I'll link that video here because I can't make that video again at the moment. But just some fun ways that you could use this stencil. You'll see these numbers tie into the devotional booklet, which I should have shown you first, I'm now realizing, but just a great stencil, and it's going to be really fun to see how everybody uses this. With this beautiful, and it has this beautiful backer too. Wow, can you imagine like punching tabs out of there? So many just fun uses, even for the packaging. All right, let's get to the devotional booklet, The Joy Journey. And it's the same cover as last month's as Mark Maker. Get my trash out of here so you don't have to see that. So same soft cover. Inside you get a little intro from the contributor, in this case Allie Brown. So here's just a peek at what it looks like inside. So gorgeous. Set up very similarly to last month's. Look at how beautiful. It's just like a shot from her desk. So I think it's broken down into 4 weeks with multiple verses that you could use throughout the week to journal whatever's on your heart. And then so you'll see those numbers here. The 1, the 2, and the 3 kind of echoed in this stencil. So let's look at the devotional booklet. And then let's look at the stamp set. So you get this beautiful, beautiful big floral piece, some more different art marks. I am on a joy journey, and that really fun type. Joy, I believe who you say I am. And then just some more little branches, leaves, all sorts of really beautiful things that I can't wait to play with. Then we have the sticker booklet. And by booklet, I mean this foldable sticker page. It's the same size as the Traveler's Notebook. So I haven't set mine up, obviously, but if you've had your Traveler's Notebook, this one in particular is also in the Illustrated Faith shop. What I like to do with them is, you'll see here I have a clear pouch where I can put like die cuts, or which aren't included this month, but there is something else you could put in here from this month's kit. Here's last month's sticker sheet, and then I have the devotional booklet right here. And then behind it is this stamp set that I just slid into this this little pocket here, and then I've got my other books here. So that is how it's made to like fit into your Traveler's Notebook. So you've got some beautiful tabs, and then just beautifully scripted words. And then let's see, the very last piece, while I'm opening these, I'll let you guys know that there's digital content included, so you could get the devotional booklet is in digital form, the sheet is in digital form, and then these messy cards are digital form also. So what's really cool about these, Shauna told us that Allie uses a lot of clear things in her art, and so these are 1 dozen, I believe, clear messy cards. So they're Allie's art on these clear transparent type materials. And so I think it has a protective film on here that you would need to peel off before you use it. So I'll just run through really quick and show you all of these that are included. And mine are sticking together. The protective film is sticking together, so they're actually 2 separate pieces. They're not this big. They're only this big. It's just the film's making them stick together. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then the last one is some stripy words that say, "You turn my tears into diamonds." I think it's the same thing that's on the back of here. "Your face outshines all fear, lifter of my head." So that's it. That is a look at the latest devotional kit from Illustrated Faith with gorgeous artwork, beautiful words from Allie Brown. So I'm going to go ahead and link the kit in the video description below, hoping that it's still in stock by the time I get this, by the time this video goes live. If not, like I said, the digital, there will be a digital version of the devotional available, as well as these messy cards, the sticker sheet, plenty of digital options if you don't get a chance to snag the physical kit. Alright, that's going to do it for me. I will be back later with some things that I pull from my stash and some mediums that I plan to use with this kit. But until then, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.